Good afternoon. This video is for Tuan. Just responding to your email with interest in the Avalon that we have for sale here. Just going to do a quick little walk around, go over some pricing for you, also some of the Carfax, and give you a little look on the inside of the car. It's very, very clean. Very nice leather interior. This is the touring model, so this is like a fully loaded version of the Avalon. It is a 2016 Avalon with 77,406 kilometers. Pricing is $24,888 plus taxes and licensing. We don't charge any fees here, so it's just the taxes and licensing that you would pay extra. Licensing would depend on whether or not you're getting new plates, transferring plates, whatever you want it to do. And the Carfax, I'll just show you here, is very clean. So no damage, no liens, Ontario registration, and there's some service history there as well. So if you have any other questions on the car, if you want to schedule a test drive, just email me back. My name is Zach, and we can hopefully see you soon, and we'll go from there. Okay, thanks a lot.